too activated. We hear song. So, hmm? Yeah.
You guys good?
Yeah.
Alright, so my name is Monty, I'll be the tour guide.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Huh? Oh. She?
No, the language is just speak.
Yeah, Creole, yeah. French Creole. So, pas qu'à parler français Creole?
Exactly, we speak French. There's no struggle with language. What do I mean?
You can't talk Creole.
Oh.
Where we are right now, we're actually inside of the volcano. All this is the volcano. Not a typical cone-shaped mountain sending out lava like you have down in Vinci. Nah. Our volcano here, it's exploded and then it collapsed to form a caldera. That's the type of volcano we have here. So the caldera is like a big crater. The entire town of Sufu here was built inside of that crater. So whether you arrive into that town, driving through or through that town, you're doing all of that inside of the volcano. That's why they call it the drive-in or drive-through volcano. Not because of here, the entire town was built inside of that volcano. That's why the water we see here, all around us, is hot water. From here, the water comes naturally from underground.
Yeah. Good boiler
It's
egg.
warm. This one is warm, this one is
Boiler
hot.
egg
You can
in
feel
there.
it. And the top, in the waterfall, it's cold.
So guys, expect this vlog to be long, okay? We have a long day.
That's warm, that's hot. Yes, sir.
You just tell me.
What do you need?
Yeah, feeling it.
It's warm, people.
Be me a good part step in. Me like to fall down. You hot? Could boil an egg. You can't boil an egg.
Go and feel one.
You will fall down.
Nah.
You will fall down.
You're not so hot, but you hot.
Mm.
But on the warm. I like you put on me.
Guys, I'm not good at walking. I'm just a baby.
So what is that smell?
Smell is hydrogen sulfide, H2S. Right now, a very low concentration. That's why it smells like rotten egg. And
Yeah.
higher, that's in gas, H2S, can kill you instantly. Very good. Very good. So the more it smells, the better, because no smell means the volcano can erupt. So before the eruption as well, you can uproot. All the vegetation will begin to die, plants and animals and birds will go away. They can sense the danger before they die.
When was the last eruption?
1766. Long time ago. After the Vinci volcano already erupted like 3 times.
Yeah.
1902, 1979, and 4 years ago,
Yeah,
2021.
4 or 5
years ago.
Yeah. Yeah. Seen all that ash here, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. I feel the south, our south, got more ash than the south of
Close
Vinci.
up the same.
Yeah. Because when in the south you can see like that now, like fun sea and things. Because when you
Yeah.
live there, fun sea you will end up. And then you go and you will downtown. You go down to Queenstown and where you live in Vinci? So outside Taco Bell.
No, closer. Closer to Joshua.
Closer to the time. Don't forget in bad boy.
You see that?
All the islands getting bad here.
What do you mean?
One problem. All islands. Hey, the worst people like.
Yeah?
Yeah, on like a lot of shooting, see. Not just in Lucia, like in Barbados, in Dominica.
Trinidad.
Boy,
Yeah, Trinidad.
is worse, like. Trinidad is worse. Trinidad, Jamaica. Jamaica kind of go down. But Trinidad,
I hope you drop out.
You got a little fever, boy. Dangerous. Oh,
We didn't see no national board.
you know what?
I am fantastic.
Right now, the parrot, you can get the parrot more inland in the rainforest. And the parrots just come out early in the morning.
Oh.
Early in the morning, they like to come out when you have a lot of mangoes. Like some mangoes and like
They
open up,
stink.
open up, eat them, and like that. Come this way, my lady, you get a better view from up here.
Okay. I in the more I go better view. So you see it here for us.
That the stairs wrong?
Yeah, we know. There's me for a look. No.
That's boiling point. That's 212 degrees Fahrenheit. 100 Celsius. So that's
Moment
hot.
to enter.
But guess what? The tour that we're doing now used to be conducted down there. Long ago, people used to bring eggs, potatoes, and breadfruits
Boy.
and boil it down there.
All this stuff.
They had accidents. Many accidents. There was a tour guide named Gabriel. About 40 years ago, he went hopping on the crust like this, and he came right in. The people that he was with, they reacted to pull him up, but he was burned from the waist down. It's one of the main reasons we're not doing the tours in there no more. Now that hole he left behind back in 1985 when they pulled him up, it was the size of his waist. Today, that's a Gabriel hole we're looking into. Not the first hole, but the second
in the
hole.
middle.
Gabriel hole. So over the years, it got bigger and bigger. Now since the accident, geologists were the only ones allowed to go in. But a few years ago, they realized walking down there is like walking on eggshells. The ground is unstable. So they placed the two boxes in there. You know these are two wooden boxes? Come this way, you can see a better here.
Yeah.
Those are the monitors. So those two monitors, they contain equipment to monitor all the daily activity of the volcano, including seismograph to monitor earth movement. So all the information from there goes to the seismic center, and that's in Trinidad and Tobago. So in Trinidad, they monitor this volcano. So the house is on the hillside. That's the original rim of the caldera. All the way to the back, where you see the houses. So if you're coming from the north of the island, you'll be coming down that bridge, you'll be entering the volcano already. So that entire northern wall encompasses the town, 1.5 miles inland and back to the people. 12 kilo, big volcano.
So Gabriel dead.
Yeah. Nah, he survived.
Born
He
from the waist
survived.
down.
He was only burned from the waist down, 2nd degree. He even had 4 kids after that. So
Strong.
everything still works. So that means if the volcano will erupt again, an 80% chance from here, with a 20% anywhere within that caldera region. So who knows, it could be my backyard, I live downtown. God forbid. Because the town is inside of the volcano. So drive in or drive through volcano is not because of her, because of the entire town. Very good.
So Labori is inside the volcano.
No, Labori is in the south. Yeah. Only Soufrière is inside of the volcano. Only Soufrière. Labori is in the south, Beaufort, Lakewood, Dennery on the east coast. On the west coast,